Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. We're going to go ahead and jump right into um, these this unique data asset here. This is rules for how these classes work in tandem with each other. Um, you saw in the settings we allow for these class sets to have rules between class sets, and within this data asset allows us to create rules between the classes within the class sets. Um, so if we were to look mouse over the group name, so examples as this one can be just the martial classes, then you'll have the magic classes, and you'll have the hybrid classes. You can set it up however you want to allow to have the attributes combined how you want. Obviously the group name that I gave, I just kept it as the example. When you create it, the name that you put is what's placed in the group name. That way you don't have to worry about it unless you want to specifically name it a specific way. You then obviously have the description that you can give if you're going to use this stuff for UI, and then class group identifier. Um, The pattern is a recommendation. You definitely don't have to follow it, obviously, based off of how you see mine. Um, so it's really up to you how you choose to do it. Then you, of course, choose the combination mode. Again, the same as in the settings, additive, maximum, weight, priority. Now, here is what's unique and different. You choose, you get the class rules. So we have the warrior and the rogue here. If I go ahead and bring this down, you'll see that we have all of the information, and we'll be diving deep into this in the next episode when we touch on the class rules. It's just all you really need to understand is this allows you to have more control over per instance. So if you want to have three different kinds of warriors, go ahead and have three different kinds of warriors. But that is pretty much gives you the freedom that you need. Obviously, mouse over everything to see what is what. And in the next episode, we will open up the warrior class so that you can see how things are done. Before I go, obviously, in order to make this, all you need to do is right click, come down here to the gas ally section, class system, class data. That is it. See you in the next episode.